At what age did you realize that skinks, ALÁǹBẸ RÄ, are just species of lizard and not snake servants? They don't turn to snake. We have had that superstitious belief that they turn to snake when they are fully grown. They can suck our blood by looking at us, which gives them that reddish color on their skin. We are even told to chant ALÁǹBÄ RÄ Morie, 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 Koto Dejo, Moda Bere, Ejemi Koro, Biumi Ewuro whenever we see them. All of these are just fallacy. The fact is that ALÁǹBÄ RÄ is a species of reptile that are known for their bright color and vivid coloration. There are about 1,500 species of them all over the world except Antarctica. They are diurnal. They love to hide and burrow. They are not dangerous. They are harmless. Of course they have teeth, but when they bite, they can't pass venom into the bloodstream. They are just a species of reptile and not all we were told when we were growing up. There are different mythology, superstition, beliefs surrounding ALÁǹBÄ RÄ. Some will say where ALÁǹBÄ RÄ is, it is a sign of bad luck, evil spirits, and all other negative things. The mythologies and beliefs surrounding ALÁǹBÄ RÄ varies from one community, region to the other. The fact is that don't turn to snake. They don't suck our blood. They are harmless. They are not dangerous. I believe you have learned something today. I'm okay. Omo Baba Abile Onilu. Kindly like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel.